Are you looking for the best crawler robot lawn mower? In this video we will look at some of the best crawler robot lawn mower on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ZCG-02 Remote Control Robot Lawn Mower. This lawn mower 4-stroke engine, which has low energy consumption and can walk freely on hillsides. It is suitable for forestry, grassland, road greening, river embankments, flood control projects, agriculture, forestry, orchards, vegetables, greenhouses, farms, home gardens and other places to open up wasteland and weeds, packaging and selling hot at home and abroad. This is an intelligent lawn mower, which can save manual mowing time. The machine comes a set of long blades and a set of short blades. An extra set of long blades and a set of short blades will be given as a gift when shipped. Wooden box packaging to protect the machine. The machine is very flexible, and the remote control range can reach 800 meters. The mowing width can reach 1070 millimeters, the height is 10 to 150 millimeters, and the working slope can be 35 degrees. Our engine is a single-cylinder 4-stroke, 420 cc. 16 horsepower, very powerful, efficient mowing. Can work 24 hours a day. Number 2. MK550 Crawler Mower. Intelligent remote control lawn mower. Through the remote control can adjust the knife height, walking direction and speed, etc. Use super wear resistant manganese steel 4-blade knife to remove weeds effectively. Gasoline mower. Remote control grass cutting machine. Cordless self-propelled lawn mowers for orchard, garden, green belt. 2022. Number 3. TBJS Remote Control Robot Lawn Mower. Farm garden lawn mower. Grass cutter scythe mower. 7-in-1 function. Walk behind 2-wheel tractor cultivator, snow blower, plow. Number 4. M50P Robotic Mower. The M5OP Crawler Lawn Mower is a hybrid electric lawn mowing robot for garden, orchard, river slope, etc. Fully automatic intelligent weeding. High power 4-stroke gasoline engine for improved weeding. Battery life. Robotic mower. APP remote control grass cutting machine. Automatic intelligent lawn mower for orchard, garden, forestry. Number 5. HT550C Robotic Mower. 550mm crawler remote control lawn mower with snow shovel. Multifunctional mini grass blade robot mower. Grass cutting machine. This is an intelligent lawn mower, which can save manual mowing time. The machine comes with 2 blades, an extra set, that is, 2 blades, will be given as a gift when shipped. Wooden box packaging to protect the machine. The machine is very flexible, and the remote control range can reach 50 meters. The mowing width can reach 550 millimeters, the height is 10 to 150 millimeters, and the working slope can be 0-45 degrees.